At a public meeting in Mawlai, Congress leaders rallied behind Wanseng Jyrwa', the party's candidate for the upcoming MCC election from Mawlai constituency. MPCC Working President P.N. Saim highlighted the importance of the 6th schedule in protecting local customs, particularly through the Land Transfer Act, which safeguards land in scheduled areas. He warned that without Congress in the Executive Committee, the District Council may lack the power to challenge government policies. Congress candidate Wanseng Jyrwa', deeply moved by the struggle of the people in Mawlai, promised to address their concern and improve their lives if elected.
Ya Congress Party, nanu apa jom Jawahar Nehru, kibala brainstorm ha, ya tinggal ha, bandon ke kene ke bandreu, nega sectional hara constitution Jawahar India, pati lang ba kene, ya kabala aibor ya ni, pansnaan, hara ini ke kene wasyap, kisnong hitau, dirati hima, takur kajar pertiwai-tiwai, katung ke dustur ke jomi.
Dr.